Welcome to the SeedLinked Platform. Thank you for being part of our community. We appreciate your participation. Today I am covering how to review your garden on SeedLinked and share other resources to get you started on our platform. You can now use SeedLinked to review any vegetables you are growing in your garden, even if you're not participating in a trial with an organization. There are 4 easy steps to reviewing what you grow on the SeedLinked platform. 1. Create a SeedLinked account or log in. Click on the menu on our homepage to create an account or log in. Creating an account is quick and easy. Just don't forget to activate your account by clicking on the link sent to your email immediately after you register. 2. Use the Seed Explorer to search, compare, and create wish lists for the varieties you plan to grow and review. 3. Then create plantings from your wish list or use the shortcut on the Track tab. 4. And finally, start reviewing your garden. We've shared videos on how to do steps 2 through 4 below. Check them out. We hope that this quick video pointed you in the right direction and that SeedLinked is helpful in your growing adventures. We encourage you to rate what you grow in your garden this year. Every rating you add to the SeedLinked platform powers our Seed Explorer and helps our collective growing community find the right seed. If you are having any problems with your profile, please reach out to us at help@seedlinked.com. If you have any feedback on how to make the platform better, share your ideas with us at feedback@seedlinked.com.